While a popular destination for anglers, kayakers, and boaters, the Ohio River is in danger, and that's not good for anybody. From New York to Mississippi, the Ohio River unifies 30 million people across 14 states, covering 2/3 of the state of Ohio with its watershed. But in 2023, the Ohio River was named the second most endangered river in the country. Protecting this precious resource is essential to preserving the region's cultural identity, safe drinking water, biodiversity, and vibrant river communities. The environmental disaster caused by Norfolk Southern's 2023 train derailment in East Palestine prompted nationwide concern for the Ohio River's health and how millions of people depend on it as a source of drinking water. The 981-mile-long river faces a long list of issues, from toxic chemical discharges and sewage contamination to nutrient pollution, mine waste, and other serious problems. Despite these challenges, there are manageable solutions. The U.S. Congress has the opportunity to stand up for the river and the millions of people who depend on it for their drinking water, jobs, and quality of life. Every year, Congress funds restoration of prominent water bodies like the Great Lakes, Chesapeake Bay, Florida Everglades, and Gulf Coast, among others. The Ohio Environmental Council and advocates across the watershed are pressing Congress to add the Ohio River to the list of great waters our federal government protects and restores through significant annual investments. Help us protect this drinking water source and the streams and wetlands that feed it by joining us at this critical moment.